Model, 65-plate Peugeot partner BERLINGO 1.6 HDI 92850 SL1 ATV needs clutch MOTED starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 126,703. MOT, the 8th of November 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6D FAP. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, the clutch is slipping especially in the higher gears, still drives okay. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.